Fattoush is one of my favorite salads to whip up as a quick side or many times in fact as a healthy snack. It is known as a peasant salad because farmers of North Lebanon used to throw in whatever was the harvest of that season and made large amounts to feed large families. Fattoush makes good use of leftover pita bread. The toasted pita bread acts like croutons and absorbs the flavors of the salad pleasantly while satisfying the need for some carbs. It's a delicious salad and a great addition to your weight loss routine. First of all, we have 4 pita breads, medium to large size pita breads. Cut them into large squares, spread them on a baking tray lined with paper, and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes till they are nice and golden and crunchy. Keep an eye on them as oven baking times can vary. In the meantime, we want to wash our greens. First of all, we have some crunchy lettuce. I'm using iceberg lettuce, 50 to 100 grams. Rinse it thoroughly. I've chopped it. And make sure you get rid of that excess water. We also have mixed salad greens. You can use purslane or watercress or just mixed baby salad greens. And we're going to rinse them as well and put them in the salad spinner as well. I've added that. To this, we're going to add 1 large red onion that's been sliced, 1 large tomato that's chopped, 2 organic cucumbers, or according to their size, you might want to add 3. You can either slice them or chop them into dice. And for the fattoush salad, we are using half to 3/4 cup of pomegranate seeds. I'm adding the juice as well, half a cup of green capsicum, 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts. Make sure that the nuts are fresh. And then we're going to make the salad dressing. Now for the salad dressing for fattoush, you can either mix all the ingredients in a cup and allow it to rest for at least 15 minutes for the flavors to infuse and then pour it into the salad later. The ingredients used here are olive oil, minced garlic, dried crushed mint, Za'atar Spice mix, pomegranate molasses, which is optional if you like a little bit of sweetness, and freshly squeezed lemon. Like I said, you can mix this all together in a small bowl and set that aside to infuse, or when I'm pressed for time, I just usually add it straight to the salad bowl. So straight to the bowl, I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic that have been pressed using a garlic press, 1 to 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lime or lemon juice. Use more if you like. 2 teaspoons of dried crushed mint, and 3 teaspoons of Za'atar Spice mix. Za'atar is a dried herb mix consisting of thyme, oregano, marjoram, and sesame seeds. I do have a recipe for Za'atar Spice blend. You can visit the link in the description. And we're going to pour in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So this makes 2 large bowls like this. Now we're just going to toss everything really well together. You can add salt if you like. By now the pita bread is toasted and we can just add it into the salad so that when you have the salad you can have a little bit of the crunch from the pita bread and it soaks in all the juices from the salad and it's really nice. So these are the ingredients that we use to make the fattoush salad. Occasionally you can add other vegetables like radish. What would you like to add to this fattoush salad? Let me know down in the comment section below. A great salad for you to try out. I hope you enjoyed the video recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.